What's up, guys? Today I am working on an old Trane air handler. It's a climate changer. I'm gonna say probably from the 60s due to the age of the building, and this thing don't look like it's ever been replaced since. I do have this little lovely right here. Anyways, got a call on the belt making a lot of noise, and found that the pulley for the motor, it's adjustable, really worn out, so I ordered a new one right here. So we're going to pull that off and install this one, and then I'll show you how I line it all up. Alright, so we'll get this guard off and we'll get a better look in there. You see the difference in the inner diameter versus the outer. So this thing is pretty worn out. So I'll get set up on it. I got a puller and an impact, and we'll get this thing snatched off there. First I gotta loosen up this motor. We do line up. Diameter looks the same. I was able to get the Browning part number off of there. It's a 1VP68. And we have a 1VP68. All right, so that's not coming out very quickly, so let's give this a shot first. Sometimes I've been lucky and just been able to yank it right out of there. So let's see. All right, Team DeWalt and Klein. All right, so we can just retrieve our key, just like that. And the struggle is over. All right, looks pretty clean. So let's put a little anti-seize on there and slide it back on. All right, let's give this a shot. I'm okay with that. All right, let's make some adjustments. All right, we're gonna start right there. From what I can tell, we have got our 4 points of contact here. All right, we're gonna give this a shot, see how it looks. Alright, so it still looks pretty good. Let's crank it up, see how it behaves. You gotta love these old disconnects. They got these cool little slots for a lockout. So put this up and engaged, you can't throw the arm, put it down, you can throw it. So you basically got a built-in lockout there. All right, clear prop. It'll definitely sound better on startup. And we'll let that run a few minutes and then we'll check the tension again. Alright guys, so we're back. It's actually been several hours. I had to go to another call, so this belt's had plenty of run time. And I'm just going to check our tension on there. It feels pretty good, but might need to tighten up just a little bit more. All right, so before I go that far, I'm going to take a couple more measurements here just to see, make sure we're not out of an angular alignment or anything else funky going on, because the way that other pulley wore out, you know, we might have something else going on here. So let's see. All right, so trying something new here. I've got this laser and I am just taking a measurement, 3 different spots on that driven pulley. So from here, I'm gonna say they look pretty good. This puts out a beam at about a 1/2 inch, well, it is a 1/2 inch height, and these targets here are 1/2 inch to that point. So, and it is, you can see it on my finger there. But you look pretty well lined up. I'm going to turn the lights off so you can probably see better. So it does look pretty well aligned. So the straight edge, you know, that works pretty good. And from what I can tell here, we're doing decent. So it doesn't really change much doing that. So I'm gonna let it roll. I'm gonna tighten up the belt tension a little bit more though. All right, I'm happy with that tension there, and we're just gonna let that ride. All right, so we will check our amp draw is, where are you? 9 amps. This is 208, 220. At 440, it is 4.4. So this is a pretty old motor. Could be the original, you never know. All right, so we're gonna check the amp draw. Target's removed. And let's see what we got here. An old furnace starter. Voltage is, look at that old girl. I think we're low voltage here. Let's just see. We're clear. Nope, we're high. So 480 volts. And let's, 9 amps. I believe we were at 440. This one is 3 and 3.2. So we're okay with that. We're at a full 60 hertz. All right, let's see how it looks. Yeah, I think that should last a little longer. Like I said, this thing is ancient of days. It's an L12 type. I don't know if you can read that serial number. There's no date. I looked for a date up here. Maybe there's a date, but not seeing it. So I'm going with 60s. You guys might know better. It was made in USA. They definitely don't make them like this anymore. And if you're wondering about the pulley widths, I did measure. They are matching. They're like 7/8 of an inch wide, so I believe those belts are right on. We're gonna let it roll. All right, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and I will catch you in the next one. And here's a better look at that old shiv, whatever you want to call it, adjustable pulley. So you can see the different wear heights there.